Hi, I'm Jimmy, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're doing things a little differently. We're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of Spam. You heard me right. That's right. The iconic canned meat is making a comeback in my kitchen, and trust me, these recipes will blow your mind. We've got 10 delicious Spam recipes that are easy to make and will have you wondering why you haven't been cooking with Spam all along. From classic Spam fried rice to surprising Spam carbonara, there's something here for everyone. Like and subscribe for more awesome recipes. All right, first up, we're starting with a classic Spam fried rice. Now you'll need a can of Spam diced into 1 2-inch cubes. Don't be shy, get in there. We're also using 3 cups of cooked rice, 1/2 cup of peas and carrots, 1/2 cup of chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil for that extra flavor. Heat up your wok or pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, and toss in that diced Spam. Get it nice and crispy, then add your veggies. Once those are softened, make a well in the center of the pan and crack in 2 eggs. Scramble them up, incorporate everything, and finally add your rice. Drizzle with soy sauce, sesame oil, and bam! You've got yourself a Spam fried rice masterpiece. Next up, we're taking a trip to Hawaii with Spam musubi. This one's super simple but crazy delicious. You'll need 1 can of Spam, 2 cups of cooked rice, 4 nori seaweed sheets, and 2 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce. Pan fry your Spam slices until they're nice and caramelized. Then lay down a sheet of nori, add a layer of rice, a slice of Spam, and drizzle with teriyaki sauce. Wrap it all up like a little burrito, and boom, you've got yourself a taste of the islands. Now it's time to spice things up with some Spam tacos. We're talking crispy Spam, warm tortillas, and all your favorite taco toppings. Dice 1 can of Spam and fry it up until it's golden brown and crispy. Warm up your tortillas, pile on that Spam goodness, and then go wild with your toppings. We're talking salsa, guacamole, sour cream, cheese, lettuce, tomatoes. The sky's the limit. Use about 1/2 cup of each topping for the perfect balance. Chapter 4. Spam and Eggs. Let's get back to basics with a breakfast classic, Spam and eggs. Slice up 1 can of Spam and fry until crispy and golden brown. While that's cooking, fry 2 to 3 eggs sunny side up or scrambled, whichever way you like them. Serve it all up with a side of toast or hash browns, and you've got yourself a breakfast of champions. Chapter 5. Spam mac and cheese. Get ready for the ultimate comfort food, Spam mac and cheese. Cook 2 cups of macaroni according to package instructions, and while that's going, dice and fry 1 can of Spam until crispy. Prepare your favorite cheese sauce. You can make it from scratch with 2 cups of shredded cheese and 1 cup of milk, or use the boxed kind, no judgment here. Mix that cheesy goodness with your macaroni and Spam, and get ready for a flavor explosion. Chapter 6. Spam Pizza. Hold on to your hats because we're getting adventurous with Spam Pizza. Grab your favorite pre-made pizza crust or make your own. Spread on 1/2 cup of pizza sauce, then layer on 1 cup of diced cooked Spam, 1/2 cup of pineapple chunks, and 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Pop it in the oven until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and delicious. Trust me, the sweet and salty combo is a game changer. Chapter 7. Spam Sandwich. Let's keep it simple with a classic Spam sandwich. Fry up some Spam slices until they're nice and crispy. You'll need about 4 slices. Toast 2 slices of bread and slather on your favorite condiments like mustard, mayonnaise, or even sriracha for an extra kick. Layer on that crispy Spam, add some lettuce and tomato if you're feeling fancy. Use about 2 leaves of lettuce and 2 slices of tomato, and slap on that other slice of toast. There you have it, a quick, easy, and satisfying lunch. Chapter 8. Spam Stir Fry. Get ready for a flavor-packed Spam Stir Fry. Thinly slice 1 can of Spam. Stir fry your favorite veggies. I like using 1 onion, 1 bell pepper, 1 cup of broccoli, and a handful of snap peas. Add your Spam to the mix and stir fry until everything is cooked through. Toss it all together with 1/2 cup of your favorite stir fry sauce and serve over rice or noodles. Chapter 9. Spam Hash. Start your day off right with some hearty Spam hash. Dice 1 can of Spam and 2 large potatoes. Fry the Spam until it's crispy and golden brown. Remove the Spam from the pan and set it aside. Add your diced potatoes to the same pan and cook until they're tender and slightly browned. Stir in 1 chopped onion and 1 chopped bell pepper, then add the Spam back in. Season it all up with salt, pepper, and any other spices you like. Chapter 10. Spam Carbonara. Prepare to have your mind blown with this gourmet Spam Carbonara. Cook your pasta according to package directions. You'll need 200 grams of pasta. While the pasta is cooking, dice 200 grams of Spam and fry it up until it's crispy. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, and a splash of pasta water. Drain your pasta and add it to the bowl with the egg mixture. Add the crispy Spam and toss everything together until the sauce is creamy and delicious. Outro, thanks for cooking with me! There you have it, 10 delicious Spam recipes that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. I hope these recipes have inspired you to think outside the can and give Spam a chance. It's versatile, affordable, and dare I say, downright delicious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes. Let me know in the comments which Spam recipe you're most excited to try. Until next time, happy cooking.